Hey everybody, Harold here with another video in the Polars data frame series. Last time I did some horizontal. Closely related to that is fold. Uh, what is a fold in Polars? A fold is a way to reduce multiple columns into a single value using an accumulator. What does that mean? Well, you start with an initial value and then combine the columns one by one. In polars, these folds are row-wise across columns, not down the rows like some mean usually are. This makes it especially useful for row level calculations like our golf example in the last video, combining many signals into one value and custom business logic that spans multiple columns. There really is no equivalent in pandas. You'd have to do something like PDDF column hole 1 plus PDDF column hole 2 plus PDDF column hole 3, on so on and so on. So you'd have to have 9 to get our 9-hole score. That's kind of a lot to have to do, a lot of typing. Polars, on the other hand, makes it easy. So for my last example, I had a golf data frame. I'll just go ahead and this will all be in the GitHub repository. So I'll just go ahead and show you that. Have three golfers, Arnie, Jack, and Tiger. Their scores for 9 holes. And I want to get front 9 total. So using fold, I could say result equals a polar data frame with columns. And that column will be pl.fold. Then we have to set an accumulator. And in most cases, you'll set it at 0. So a pl lit 0. You could set it for whatever you want. You want to start at 1, 2, whatever. Then you have to give it a lambda function for the accumulator. So the function is lambda accumulator comma x, and then accumulator plus x for the return. So 0 will start, and then each time it hits a it hits a row value, it's going to add that to the accumulator. And then you give it an expression. It's kind of like expression expansion. Well, we're just going to use pl.all here. We'll exclude player and we'll call that out on the front 9 and print result. So here's our players, holes, and out is the accumulation of the row for each golfer, 33, 35, and 35. You can also use it in a Boolean way to check if rows meet a condition. Here you would use pipe for any and ampersand for all. The result equals PLDF with columns, PL.fold. We're going to set our accumulator at PL.lit false. So we'll start with false. It's going to go down the row with the function lambda x. Accumulator runs across any value that's greater than 5. It's going to be true. If it doesn't, it's going to be false. And then we'll give that an alias GT5 greater than 5. And so if we look here, Arnie doesn't have anything greater than 5. Jack had a really bad 6-hole. He's got a 6. And Tiger doesn't have anything greater than 5. So we should get a false, true, false in our new column called greater than 5. And we'll run this. And false, Arnie does not have any greater than 5. True, Jack had 1. And false, Tiger had 0. We can count birdies. So a birdie on this course would be a 3. So result equals PLDF with columns for all you non-golfers. A birdie is 1 less than the par score for the hole. Result equals PL df dot with columns PL dot fold. We're going to start our accumulator again at 0. We're going to lambda accumulate x. We're only going to accumulate. We're going to add any holes where it equals 3, the comparison operator, and cast those as integers, PL dot end 8. And we're going to run that on any column. I use a little regex here where the whole underscore is included in the column name. And we're going to call that column birdies. And we'll print the result on that. So Arnie had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birdies. Check. Jack had 1, 2, 3 birdies. Yep. Tiger only had 1. So that worked also. That's kind of just an introduction to fold and polars. You can go a lot deeper if you want with your lambdas, so play around with it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.